Hey guys, I hope you all well. If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel. I usually do makeup, beauty related reviews, tutorials, and in general positive videos. So if you're up for that, press the button to subscribe. Alright, this video, as you've seen from the title, we're gonna be checking out the Eylure ProMagnetic Eyeliner and Lash System. I tried the Forever eyeliner and magnetic lashes before and I absolutely love it. If you've been following me for a while, you would know how much I love magnetic lashes in general. So what they see on the packaging is easy application, 15 wears, no glue needed. So we want you to apply 3 layers of a liner on top of each other. Alright, apply lashes directly to liner and press to secure. Sounds super simple. I think, you know what, because I'm not wearing any eyeshadow at the moment or anything, and my eyes are really hooded, so if I would do just lashes it would look kind of funny. So I think I'm gonna apply a little bit of the eyeshadow just to kind of contour my eyes. I'm not gonna use actually the eyeshadow, I'm just gonna go with the Revolution Pro Sculpting Bronzer. Let's do the eyeliner part. It's brand new, I haven't tried this yet. So this is how the lashes looks. Yeah, eyeliner is very tiny. So it's called Magnetic Lash Liner. Ooh, okay, so far looks good. I don't think I'm gonna go like for full on flick. It's just because this eyeliner is so tiny. Okay, let's just try. Go close to lash line. My lashes are very curled up. Push it down a bit. You know what? I decided to darken up this part while my eyeliner is drying. Because why not? I don't know, I'll completely change it. Okay, I think first layer is dry. Let's try and go with a second layer. Okay, let's wait for this layer to dry so we can do a third one. I think what I'm gonna do, because you see it's a gap between my natural lashes and this liner, and I don't really wanna go and like color this in. Taking a NYX black pencil and I'm gonna just go in between my lashes with this. Okay, let's wait for this to dry. Okay, do you think it's dry already? Okay, the moment of truth. Let's try and apply these falsies. That was pretty quick. Done. I think I will need to apply a little bit of mascara, but I'm gonna go just like this, you know, having these lashes on, because my lashes are slightly bit lighter after applying, you know, the powder and all. So it's some on there, but you guys, this was fairly quick, wasn't it? Pressed. Okay, let's do another one quickly. By the way, my lashes are so long at the moment. I've been using Eye Glow Lash Grow Serum, and oh my god, you guys. What do you think? That was fairly quick, I think. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of mascara quickly and come back to you, but a lash application itself, as I'm doing this for the first time, I think it was fairly quick. What do you think? and that's a finished look. What do you guys think? I really love the way these lashes looks on. The style I'm wearing now is Fluttery Light number 117. Really like it. It feels very light on the eyes as well. You know, with some lashes, I don't know if you ever had this, but it feels kind of a bit heavy on your eyes when you like, you can feel it. I can't feel these lashes at all. It feels very steady on the eyes as well. Like, I mean, I could easily lift it up and reposition if I want to, if I feel like it doesn't sit nicely and I don't need any fuss, you know, with applying a glue and waiting for it to be tacky and everything. I am pretty sure it's gonna be staying on all day long without any, you know, worries, without moving or anything. So yeah, I'm really liking this. Definitely gonna be using it in my future makeup tutorials videos. You're gonna see me wearing this for sure. I really hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Definitely recommend this product. Honestly guys, it's so easy to apply. It doesn't, like, literally it doesn't take any time whatsoever. You've seen me. The longest was to apply the eyeliner because you need to wait for it to dry and apply 3 times. So really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you would like to see next up on my channel. Should I do more reviews, more tutorials, or in general positive videos? And I shall see you soon. Thank you so much for watching and bye. Have an amazing day guys. Ciao.